Hey everyone, Zach here with Fairing Screen Gustafsson. We're excited to announce our new windshield and hardware design for the Can Am Spyder F3, F3-S, and Daytona edition. We're going to tell you about why it offers superior wind protection, and because we offer 3 different heights, we're going to tell you how to choose the right height for you. So let's get started. Tested it on the highways, curvy roads, and wind and rain, and it's really effective. So there's no wind buffeting, no turbulence, and you get a nice breeze up through the bottom. It's been a little while, but it's worth the wait. We finally came up, went through some variations of hardware and have a design that's simple to install. It's really sturdy hardware, and most importantly, the windshield works great against the wind while still being able to look over it. We changed the angle of the windshield down at the bottom rather than having a Euro flip at the top, and that really gives the wind a lot more surface area to have a nice pocket and go over you. The other big benefit is that there's no distortion anywhere in the top half, so if you do need to look down at the road in front of you, you don't have to worry about any wave. So we want to do a close-up of the hardware design we have. We kept it really simple with a 2-bracket design. Everything's below the gauges, so there's nothing up in your eye line. It mounts to existing points already, so you're just swapping out the bolts, and then the windscreen's held on with 6 bolts. So it's a real easy install, real sturdy windscreen, and there's no vibrations or nothing. Alright, so one of the biggest questions we get is which size windshield do you need? Which is kind of hard to give general guidelines, but we're going to go ahead and do that anyway. So there's a lot of variables that go into play. They've got different riding styles, you've got different seats, different foot peg positions, and then also you do different kinds of riding. First, we'll start with what different sizes we've got. We've got a 15-inch sport windshield, 17-inch sport touring, which is what we've got right here, and then a 20-inch touring windshield for basically ultimate wind protection. So all of them are measured from the gas cap going up vertical. So this one's 17 inches, about right there. You know, the 15-inch is going to be a little lower, and then the 20-inch is going to be a little higher. As a general guideline, anyone 6'3", 6'4", and above, you're probably going to want the 20-inch windshield. Anyone 5'7", 5'8", up to the 6'3", 6'4", you'd probably be good with the 17-inch. You're going to be able to look over it really easily. If you're below that, you're probably going to want to go with the 15-inch, because that'll just give you a little more room to look over it. If you want to be a little more specific about which size, go back to the tape measure and you measure where your eye line is when you're at a comfortable riding position. So, you know, I'm a little slouched, not the best posture. I'd probably be about 24, 25 inches. So that means I could go with the 20-inch windshield and I'd still be able to look over it just fine, but since I want a little breeze, I would drop down to the 17. If I was going to go across the country over to California, I'd probably go with the 20-inch just to give me a little more wind protection. So then after you measure your eye line, you kind of have a really good sense of where you want to be at. Because the windshield provides such a good rider pocket, you want to be within 3 to 4 inches of the windshield. No matter which height you're at, is that you're not going to get any buffeting or weird turbulence because of the nice smooth top of the windshield. So I hope you are as excited as we are about the new windshield for Spyder F3 and F3-S. As always, our windshields are made to order, so you can customize it for your exact needs, including the height and color combination. You can place your order online, or if there are any questions, you can give us a call or shoot us an email and we'll be happy to help you.